The task was obvious until everyone assumed someone else did it. A shared task list is cheaper than a missed harvest or a reservoir that did not get topped off. Tasks is at plantmood.farm, the farm-wide and per-batch to-do list with due dates, priorities, statuses, and assignee-friendly filtering. Pair it with notification digests so open tasks reach you even when you are not in the room. Two filter rows sit at the top. Status chips cover all: pending, in progress, done, skipped, and canceled. Do chips let you filter by yesterday, today, tomorrow, this week, or this month, multi-select, plus a date picker for any specific day. The table shows a checkbox, due date, task label with farm or batch scope and task type, status badge, priority, and an edit button. Expand any row for the full description, inline status chip buttons to change state without opening a drawer, and an open batch link if the task is tied to a specific grow run. Select multiple tasks with the checkboxes and a bulk action bar appears. Select all, clear, and set status buttons for each state. Fast cleanup after a morning walkthrough. The Create Task drawer has a scope selector, general for the whole farm, or a specific batch with a batch dropdown. Then label, task type, due date, priority, and description. Save creates it. Editing reopens the same drawer. To make tasks reach you away from the screen, go to My Account, then Notifications, and enable email or Telegram digests. Choose which farms and whether you want daily or weekly summaries. Open tasks surface in your morning digest, useful when you manage remotely or run split shifts. Light discipline beats heroic memory. Tasks live under manager in the sidebar.